Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can enable or disable silent mode on your MAXCOM phone. So to do this you have to use this button. First of all we have to activate our screen, so click for example on the red button and then click and hold this one until you feel vibration and get this notification on the screen. As you can see also right here in the left upper corner next to the mobile data, we can find the information that the silent mode is enabled. To turn it off, we have to do the same, activate screen and then click and hold this button until this icon just simply turned off. One more time. Okay, and as you can see, that's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. Click thumbs ups, comment and subscribe to our channel.